Hi everyone, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known to be the Ultimate Gardener. As you can see with the background of this video, it is very late at night. It's currently 8:42 p.m. at nighttime, Eastern Standard Time, and I'm out here getting ready to make a succulent arrangement for my mom for the front of the house. She just requested one for today and I was gonna stop by at Home Depot anyways. So I decided to pick this collection up for her and I absolutely can't wait to plant this up. I have a container, I have my growing medium, so we're all set to go for this arrangement. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Partners, here I have the soil filled up already. One thing I did want to point out to you guys is that every succulent you get at Home Depot or any type of nursery, or especially Home Depot, this is specifically for them. Look at this gorgeous succulent right here, but they're grown in liners. So this will be removed when we plant them so the roots could have some type of, freedom in the container, because I don't want them restricted in this specific thing and then they end up choking themselves out. So also I'm gonna be cleaning off any dead leaves. Like, see how that one just came off easily? You want to clean up your succulents so they can look best as possible. So I'm gonna put this in fast motion and so we can get this quick and done. So Ultimate Gardeners, as you guys saw with the final product, I absolutely love and adore how this arrangement came out to be. I did want to show you guys a few snafus I did have during the process of me making this arrangement, so I can show you guys not gardeners are all perfect. Number one, I did the mistake of taking the plant out with its foliage and I ended up ripping a tiny vine out. So the thing I did was I completely cleaned the end of it and I sticked it back in the soil, and that should root within a few weeks. So that's a good thing I'm able to fix. Another thing I didn't notice was one of the succulents did start to fall apart slowly by slowly, because I did notice a lot that a lot of these root systems were very moist. Seems to be Home Depot was watering these like any other regular plant, thinking that they could die, and they were actually killing them without them knowing. So giving them too much water will end up rotting their system out, which is something you don't want to do. So keep that in mind. And unfortunately, that one I am a bit edgy about, but I did take out the rotted leaves and I kept what's salvageable. So hopefully it will come back again. So a few tips I want to give to you guys about this arrangement and any succulent arrangement in general is, number one, they love full sun. Once again, high levels of heat. They are drought tolerant. Succulents are amazing indoor and outdoor plants. So full sun is required. Number two, they need to have a drying period. Once you water, you only want to water one time about every 2 to 3 months. You heard that right. This is super low maintenance and easy to take care of, and one of the hardest plants to kill. So you don't want to overwater them too much. You want to make sure that soil is dry, which is because if you overwater, it causes a lot of problems in the future, which is something I don't want you guys to have. So keep that in mind. Another thing, you could fertilize your succulents with some type of liquid fertilizer. I know they do sell those. For example, I do have the Bonide cacti fertilizer that's liquid soluble, which is amazing, which is you fertilize them every time you water. So you would mix like about 1/8 of an ounce of this solution to a gallon of water, and you should do it. But of course, you're not going to use a gallon of water in a cacti arrangement. So that's going to be it for this exciting spreading video, you guys. Hopefully you found something interesting and fun in this video, because I definitely did. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you learned something new, please leave a like down below. And while you're at it, please consider subscribing to show your amazing support towards the Ultimate Gardening channel. And please share it with your friends and family to learn where the succulents come from. But not only that, learn how to grow it. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and never forget to grow big oats, gardeners. Bye, guys.